Hi, in this video I will give you short review about Xenvo Pro Lens Kit. I hope this review helps you. Here is my review. I've had this in one of my lists for a while, and I got a notification when it became a lightning deal, so I ordered it right away. I specifically wanted it for the macro lens, and it does the job just fine. The only alternative I had my eyes on, after researching the best macro lenses for iPhone, was what I assumed to be overpriced, because you are required to purchase a case for the phone that holds the lens in place. Not with the Xenvo, which is simply clip-on, and I've had no issues with it since using it. What Xenvo needs credit for isn't just the technical functional aspect of the lenses, but for everything else included in the package. The price is fair enough just for the macro and micro lens, but what they also include is a sturdy bag that holds the lenses, a lanyard for hanging the lenses around your neck for quick easy access when you're on the go, a microfiber cloth, an additional clip-on LED light that is very useful for preventing inevitable shadows, and a micro USB cable that charges that LED light. Also included is a USB key attached to a card that loads up some videos showing how to use everything. These days I think any company that doesn't skimp on equipment that you will or probably need to buy additionally should receive extra credit. It shows that they care and aren't greedy. The only extra thing I'd like to get from them is the remote shutter bug, and I'm happy to pay extra for that. I doubt any other company can beat this package at this price, and the lenses are great. You will get a surrounding fisheye effect with the macro lens and some aberration the farther you shoot from the subject, but that's a bonus effect in my humble opinion. This package is a no-brainer. If you want to know more details about this product, please click link in description below.